A victory in federal court for Asante and one of several lawsuits against the health system by former employees. Good evening and thank you for choosing NBC5 News at 6. I'm Andrea Boyd. Now, some former employees claim Asante discriminated against their religion and they were wrongfully terminated for not being vaccinated for COVID-19 during the pandemic. NBC5's Maximus Osborne is live in studio with our top story. Maximus.
Andrea, that's right. According to federal court documents, U.S. Magistrate Judge Mark D. Clark ruled that Alice Morris, a traveling nurse who worked at Asante, failed to prove she was a victim of religious discrimination. There are still other similar cases, several of them against Asante, that are actively going through the court system. Ray Hackey, an attorney with Pacific Justice Institute, is not involved in the Morris lawsuit, but he is currently representing 61 clients who also allege that Asante failed to grant them a religious exemption to vaccination requirements. He says there are three burdens of proof. First, the plaintiff had sincere religious beliefs that conflicted with employment-related duties. Second, that they informed the employer of the conflict. And finally, that the employer took adverse actions against them. Hackey says Judge Clark recommended dismissal for 59 of his clients after a summary judgment, saying it would have been an undue hardship for Asante to accommodate for them.
If Asante is correct, just taking them at their word, that their hospitals were overflowing with COVID patients, they didn't have any available beds, how does it make sense to get rid of roughly a third of their workforce? Asante and several other employers across the state took the vaccine mandate as an excuse to purge their payrolls of religious employees.
Hackey says he has filed objections and Asante has about 2 weeks to file a response. From there, another judge will look at the case. If that second judge sides with Judge Clark, Hackey says they will file an appeal and it will go to the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. We reached out to Asante for comment, but we have not heard back. Live in studio, Maximus Osborne, NBC5 News.